the second unit of our course book is going to be taken. Do you remember the first unit? What is it about? Yes, the first unit is about the beauty and splendor of nature. The marvelous splendor of nature is truly entertaining, isn't it? And inspiring. Now, let us go to the second unit free. In the second unit, we move on to the celluloid world of entertainment and amusement. Celluloid world, the world of cinema. Here we focus on cinema. In this unit, we will come across a memoir, The Project Tiger, a song, Blowing in the Wind, and a screenplay, My Sister's Shoes. Then, history of film is broader than what you think of. Please watch this pictures. Listen here. Listen in the screen. There are three eminent personalities. Who are they? Charlie Chaplin, Akira Kurosawa, and our Adoor Gopalakrishnan. Then, the first task for you. Collect as much as information about these eminent personalities and prepare the profile of these men. Next, what kind of films do you like? Now, for the past 2 decades, the film technology has undergone great evolution. From the still picture frame, we have reached up to the works of virtual reality. What a change. Have you heard of Hollywood? Yes. It is a place in America where the films are made. Hollywood filmmaking is entirely different from Indian filmmaking. No one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. They treat animals, actors reverently, with respect. Animals are stars. Can you believe it? A famous Indian filmmaker has written in his memoir about the reverence shown by the filmmakers to animal actors. Can you guess his name? Yes, the name of his memoir is Childhood Days. I will give you some clues. Can you find out him? The name of his memoir is Childhood Days. Then, his first film won the 11 international awards. 11 international awards. First film. His first film is Pather Panjali. Do you know? I think you know. Who is he? Yes, Satyajit Ray. He is an Indian film director, writer, and illustrator. He is widely considered to be India's greatest filmmaker and one of the leading figures of parallel cinema. He is regarded as one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century. Born on 2nd May 1921 in Kolkata, in a family prominent in the world of art and literature. Then, next task for you. Find out more about Ray and prepare a profile. Now, Ray had written about making films with animals in his memoir. Project Tiger is an extract taken from his memoir. What is a memoir? What is a memoir? Memoir is a collection of memories that an individual writes about the events that took place in the person's life. That person's life. Memoir, Orma Kuripu. I believe that This article is definitely going to change our perspective about filmmaking, especially about animal character in films. No one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. Why did Satyajit Ray make such a comment? Why did he make such a comment? Do you want to know more about it? Let us read the text and find out what is the reason. The Project Tiger. No one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. I remember films in my childhood, and there were quite a few of them that had an Alsatian called Rin Tin Tin. This dog's acting was more impressive than a human. Later, we got to see 3 or 4 other films with a collie called Lassie. It seemed that the director could make Lassie do just about anything. These trained dogs were famous stars in their own right, and the money they earned was no less than what a real film star got. Their owners could easily make as much as 100,000 rupees from just one film. I realized how reverently these animal actors were treated when I happened to see the shooting of a film 20 years ago in Disney Studio in Hollywood. The main character in this film was a large dog. I reached the studio to find that the shooting had not yet started. The cameraman was getting the lights ready. It is customary for actors to be present when the lights are arranged, for they have to show the cameraman how they will walk or where they will stand in a particular shot. In the case of very famous stars, this job is done by their standing. A standing is usually a person who is physically similar to the real star. The stars themselves arrive only when the lights are ready and it is time to take a shot. Here in Disney Studio, I noticed that a few actors were moving about in the set. And on one side, standing quietly was the protagonist, the same large dog. The cameraman shouted to everyone to take their positions, but the dog remained where it was. This puzzled me. Could it be that it was not required in the next shot? Before I could ask someone, a strange thing happened. From nowhere appeared a little dwarf. Dwarf means a person small in size, just like our Undapa crew. Followed by another man carrying a hair dog skin. Then, to my perfect amazement, the dwarf went down on all the fours on its chalk mark on the floor, just like an animal under the dog skin. He was draped. The dog skin was draped over him. Then he crawled from one mark to another, and the cameraman got busy with the lens. It finally dawned upon me that this dwarf was paid to be the dog standing. Every animal in Hollywood film is well trained. It is not difficult to train a horse or a dog. But have you ever heard of trained ravens? Not just one or two, but nearly 100 of them. Even this was made possible in Hollywood when the creator of some of the best suspense films in the story of cinema, Alfred Hitchcock, decided to make a film called Birds. In the story, birds from all over the world start attacking humans. Hitchcock needed a variety of birds but what was required in the largest number was ravens. Notices were placed in the press all over the United States, asking people to contact the filmmaker if they knew how to get hold of trained ravens. How did Ray begin his article? How did Ray begin his article? No one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with the animals in them. There lies the point. From this sentence, can you say what is the article about? Can you say that? Making films with the animals. Yes, it is about making films with the animals. It is the topic. Topic sentence of the first paragraph. In this paragraph, he narrates a scene he had seen in his childhood days. Other sentences supported the topic sentence. To support the main idea, what is that? Main idea. He presents films he had seen in his childhood days. Which were they? Yes, films with the dogs. The adventures of Rin Tin Tin and another dog Collie in Lassie's series. These animal actors proved they were famous actors in Hollywood. Just like a human being. They must have been trained. Yes, of course. These trained dogs are famous stars in their own right. And the money they earned was not less than that of a film star. The animals in Hollywood films are well trained and well paid. They are trained just like human stars. But wonder why they were paid this much? Why they were paid this much? Do animal actors want any money of their own? Obviously, the money goes to their masters. The owners could easily make as much as 100,000 rupees from just one film. A huge amount at that time. Yes, we are going to witness something strange. Then here we have to stop. The time is very meager because of the internet problem. We could not start on time. Then I will take the later in the next class I will take. Okay. Thank you.